Everyone, and if you want to know how to allow Reddit to access photos, you've come to the right place. So it is quite simple. If you open your Reddit and try to post something, and you will click on add photo here, Reddit will ask you if you want to allow access to photos on videos. But if you click don't allow and now you forget how to give access to Reddit, it is quite simple. You need to go to settings, and here we need to find apps. Click on apps and find your Reddit application. So we click on Reddit and find permissions. Click on permissions and find photo and videos. Click on this and click on always allow or allow limited access. It is on your choice. And that's all now. If we will try it again, we give access to photo and videos, and now we can download our photos and videos. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.